Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Honeywell thermostat that is going to show you this type of a blank screen. Now, before even resetting, it's very important for you to understand that this type of blank screen is often caused by the power issue and it is not a software problem. So we will start with a quick check. In it, first of all, if your Honeywell thermostat uses the batteries, you just have to simply remove the thermostat from the wall plate, and then you just have to do nothing but to just simply replace these batteries with the fresh ones. Just make sure that they are installed in the correct direction. Now, after replacing the batteries, you need to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds as well, and then you need to check on the display whether the display comes or not, or whether the display turns on or not. Now, if you find that even after replacing the battery, the screen is still blank, you can just simply remove the batteries again and then simply insert them backward for about 10 seconds. Then simply remove them, then reinstall them correctly and reattach the thermostat to the wall plate. So this reset method works on many of the battery powered Honeywell models. So you can try this easy trick and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.